Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 76,190, loss of 428 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 23,092, loss of 111 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 48,368, loss of 173 points. Market breadth was negative. BSE 500 closed at 33,525 with loss of 558 points. Nifty 500 closed at 21,319, loss of 361 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty IT index, which closed at 43,524 with gain of 3.55%. And top loser was Nifty Realty index, which closed at 854 with loss of 9.12%. Now let's look at Nifty chart. The Nifty 50 broke its 2-day winning streak, closing 0.5% lower on 24th Jan. It briefly crossed the 10-day exponential moving average at 23,240 and near 23,350, but couldn't resist sustains this level, forming a bearish candlestick with a long upper shadow indicating selling pressure at higher levels. The 23,000 levels remain a key support. A close below this could lead 23,800, while staying above 23,000 may see the index retesting 23,350 to 23,400 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty saw weakness, falling 221 points to close at 48,368 and forming a bearish candle pattern with a long upper shadow and minor lower wick on both the daily and weekly chart. This suggested selling pressure at higher levels. For the week, the index declined by 0.36%. On the daily time frame, Bank Nifty formed a red candle indicating a weakness. However, it's managed to defend the crucial support level at 48,000. If the index sustains above these levels, a pullback rally towards 49,000 to 49,500 could be on cards. Let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased with 13.60% and price decreased to 0.63% is suggested short buildup. Bank Nifty 30th Jan 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 51,000 strike with the open interest of 1,83,087 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 47,500 strike with the open interest of 1,24,048 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 50,000 strike with the addition of 27,734 lots, and max open interest change happened on PE side at 49,200 strike with the addition of 66,306 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 48,900 levels, the index can move towards 49,500 to 50,200 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 48,000 levels, the index can go down towards 47,500 to 47,000. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 9.21% and price decreased to 0.48%, which suggested short buildup. Nifty 30th Jan 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 24,000 strike with the open interest of 4,88,459 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 22,000 strike with the open interest of 3,75,966 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 24,000 strike with the addition of 1,26,119 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 22,000 strike with the addition of 69,308 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross about 23,350 levels, then index can go to move towards 23,800 to 23,900 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 23,000 levels, then index can go down towards 22,900 to 22,800 levels.